Welcome to Israeli Street Art Tour and Workshop for Israel 72 Independence Day! Booyaka! Because later we're going to go to Florentine neighborhood. This is how it looked like today, but this is how it's planned to be look like. Welcome to Florentine neighborhood. What about this? From a number that you agree or don't agree, graffiti is vandalism. Just to really understand your perspective, what do you think? He took the picture and shredded it in front of everyone in an auction.
You are not young anymore. Take care of yourself with a mask, like a corona mask.
Beautiful.
2 hands, holding hands, and then 72 for the birth.
Yeah. I went with living Covida Loca, and I think that we need to celebrate.
It's Avri, my son. He's showing you the picture.
Now! תודה רבה. Oh, thank you. Happy Independence.
תודה רבה.